this is Ian with Friends Art, protecting families, pursuing it back. We're doing our aquaponic systems with our stuff here, and looks like it's doing alright. We have our net pots, we got the foam here. I'll put that in the listing below. We got some IBC tanks, which I just kind of cut. And all I did was cut it from here, just drew a line, cut it from here, and put these bars up. And so all I did was kind of tighten it with the cap and pulled some water from our lake, and the plants looks like they are growing pretty good. Now I think that I need to put some air in here, some bubbles to get some aeration, but so far I'm just gonna let it go for now. The spaghetti squash book is doing alright. The melons, the watermelon's growing. The asparagus, you see here, looks like they might be drowning. So I'll probably pull these out for a little bit, just so that they can get some air, not drown, so they sprout a little better. And see how these guys, I might pull some of these guys out just in case, because I think I need to get some air in them, otherwise they drown out. So just kind of do that for now. Maybe we'll put a little bit of something, maybe a little something, there we go, like that. So it has a little bit of water, a little bit of air, doesn't completely drown out and stuff. So, or you know what, I might actually do this, double net this thing here, so we get some air. Good idea. There you go. Oh, it's my kid. Okay, anyways, so there's some ideas there so that they don't completely drown out, just to kind of double up on these net pots here. Maybe I should have an empty one here. See, if you drown them, they don't really, these kind of stop sprouting for a little bit. So it's gotta get a little bit out. So maybe I'll just put that a little bit right there for now. Give him some time to get out. This guy's growing in the wrong spot. Pull him out gently to not damage him, and go from there. So anyways, yeah, it looks like it's working out for us. Click on the link below to get the net pots and the foam. Okay, now all we did was we drilled out 2 inches so that they can put these net pots in. Look like everything looks alright. The peas look like they're a little struggling because they've been drowning, but yeah. Alright, listen in the description below, and thanks for watching.